Let me show you on this video how to generate a JavaScript embed snippet inside of ChatGPT. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'll show you how to generate the JavaScript inside of ChatGPT. That way you can embed it on your website really easily. So let's get started. So in this case, I'm going to jump straight into ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to generate a form for me. In this case, I'm going to generate a feedback form for a soccer team using Jotform. And in this case, I have already integrated the application inside of ChatGPT to generate forms inside of ChatGPT. Okay. So once it generates the form, I'm going to ask it to generate the JavaScript for me. Okay. So yes, I'm going to allow it to create the form right now. Okay, our form is now ready. So let's go ahead and ask it to generate the JavaScript embed snippet. So let's go ahead and kick this off right now. And ChatGPT should understand that what I want is that script that I can go ahead and copy and paste inside of my website. Here we go. My code is now ready. I got my HTML code that I can start using right now, which is the JavaScript that I can copy and paste inside of my website. It also generated for me other codes that I can use also. So for example, the auto resizing embed with a cleaner.js, a lightbox pop-up, a floating button, and in this case, those are the ones that I generated for me. Let's go ahead and grab this one. So let's go ahead and copy this specific code and let's go ahead and paste it inside of our website. Now in this case, I'm going to use WordPress for this purpose. So let's go ahead and create a brand new page. Here we go. Let's go ahead and name our page. In this case, it's going to be test. Here we go. And we're going to add a block. So let's go ahead and search for HTML and we're going to add this block right here. Let's go ahead and paste it in and let's go ahead and test out this code right now. So let's go into preview mode. Let's scroll down here and here's our feedback form with the JavaScript embed code that we just grabbed. Now you can use the Java embed script in different situations and in different type of pages depending on your needs. So the cool thing about this is that it can generate the code for you just the way you need it. And yes, you can make modifications to the code by asking ChatGPT for changes in case you need to make any changes. But it's super easy to generate a JavaScript embed snippet here on ChatGPT for your Jotform. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the embed script that it generated and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.